What's up everybody, it's your girl Adicia and I want to welcome you back to my channel. Today's video will be a little bit different than what I'm used to doing. Usually I do a lot of tutorial videos, but in today's video it will be a review on some hair that I was given by the vendor on Amazon called KLAIYI, or KLAIYI. So pretty much it comes regular packaging, most hair companies usually have their own special packaging. So we're gonna just see how this looks. So this is the first time I'm ever opening this package, so you guys will be doing it with me. So let's see. So far I like the box. So here's the box. Really nice. So I'm not sure how to pronounce the company's name. KLAIYI? So as you can see, really nice box, 100% virgin human hair. So pretty much it has some guidance on the back to pretty much tell you what you should do with your hair in order for it to last you a very long time. So as you can see here, really nice of them. Some people don't know how to really deal with the hair to make it last long. So, oh boy, there's tape on this. So here we go. So it comes in a package like this. So it looks like I got curly. I have the curly texture. My last wig that I made in my most recent wig video, it was actually a deep wave texture. So this is actually curly, very curly hair. And it looks like I got, so I'm going to take these bundles out of here. Put that down. So here they are. I got, looks like 16 inches. I got 14 inches. And it looks like I also got 12 inches. Oh gosh, I'm dropping everything. So 12 inches. So I'm gonna go and open up these and then we'll get to the closure that they sent me. I want to feel every single one of these bundles. I'm very picky about my hair, especially when I'm about to make it into a unit for myself or for my any of the clients that I have. So I really love to feel the hair, make sure it's soft. So you're gonna definitely get an honest review here. So I'm taking this out. I love the packaging. It's very nice. The box is in good shape. So here's a 12-inch, as you can see. Curly, definitely, really short. That's probably the only reason why I don't usually do curly hair, is because I'm really into the length. So whenever I get a certain length, I really want a true to length. But with curly, shrinkage is real, as we all know. So you stretch it out, that would be about 12 inches. It's very soft. Really soft. I feel that on the ends, with a little bit of shampoo and conditioner and a little bit of love, the ends will definitely come out a little better. But the fact that I can run my hands through it and it being curly hair, that's pretty impressive. So this is really nice. So that's the first bundle. Let's see if all three bundles live up to each other. Got here. So this is my 16 inch. I'm not going in any particular order. I really like to get my bundles in a layered fashion. I never get them the same length because I like my wigs to be layered. So if my shortest bundle is 12 inches, that means that most likely my closure would be 10. So, and onward. So here's the 16. Really nice. About pretty much feels exactly the same. Very soft. No tangling through the hair, which is impressive for curly hair. I really like it. So as I said, the ends, you can tell that they're a little dry, but I feel like that's common with curly hair. So with a little bit of conditioner, it will definitely go a long way. So my last bundle, let's see here, is my 12-inch. Okay, so correction. The first bundle that I showed you was a 14-inch bundle. This, if I recall, let's see. Yes, the first one I showed you was the 14-inch. The second one I showed you was the 16-inch. And here's my shortest one, which is the 12. This is my 12-inch. So here it is. Get out of its net. So here is the 12. Oh my God, look how short it is. I feel like this wig is gonna be really pretty. I'm not used to curly hair at all, so I'm kind of interested to see how it's gonna look on me. Since this hair was provided to me by the company and they wanted an honest review, I'm probably just gonna turn it into a unit and for myself, and we'll just go from there. But the bundles, they're thick. I love how thick they are. They're soft, and they feel the same through and through. I don't see any different colored hairs. You know how sometimes they'll have different colored hairs. Let me show you the wefts, how tightly rolled they are. It does look like it is. So the only thing about this company that I noticed, I think these are, okay, yes. So they're double weft. These are double weft. I love double weft because that means it's a lot thicker. So really nice. Let me just show you all three bundles together. Beautiful hair. Get out of here. I don't like that. So beautiful hair. As you can see, I think it'll look really good on me. I think it'll be really big, but it'll be nice. And I have some product that really goes well with curly hair. I will definitely be doing a wet look on this. Okay, so now the most important part that I feel that is important to a wig. So as you can see, like I said, a layered wig. So this is a 10-inch closure, as you can see there. So, let's see here. 10-inch closure. Closure is very important to me. I honestly do prefer closures over, oh wow, it's actually connected. Hold on. Guys, I don't want to accidentally rip my, sorry. I don't want to rip my closure trying to fight that. So they had a little attachment there to keep it attached to the bag. But closures are the most important part, honestly, to the wig, because that's the only thing that people see. As you can see in my closure hair, I don't, do a lot of baby hairs, and when I do clients, I let them pretty much customize their own hairlines. I like the color of the closure. You see, it looks like a natural, like nude brown. I don't like it when it's too light, but I'd probably still use some lace tint or makeup. It's a free part, so as you can see, there's not a defined part, middle part, side part. You can literally part it anywhere, and I feel like it's really nice. I always bleach my knots because those black dots on your head just aren't cute, sis. So as you can see how it looks against my skin, really nice. I think it works perfectly. Once again, even the hair on the closure, actually I feel the hair on the closure is even softer. The ends are not as bad. But I noticed that when it comes to the longer the hair, the more the ends tend to be a little bit drier. But all in all, closure is nice. I like it. It looks like it's been put together very well. With a little bit of bleach on these knots, it'll go a long way. Now let's see what else they come in the box. See, I like, they gave us some lashes. I like when companies give you free gifts like lashes and stuff. These are really nice. I usually go for the mink lashes. But sometimes I like a more simpler look, you know, because I'm not really trying to go super bold. So this works perfectly for me. So honestly, all in all, based off of the hair, the review, and feeling it and touching it, I would definitely give this company another shot. I would definitely give them a chance because the hair is actually very nice. So once again, company, that's the company. I don't want to butcher their name anymore, but I would give them a shot. If you're looking for a good deal on some hair to turn into a unit or just some weave to put into your head, I definitely would give them a shot. I will be purchasing from this company. So now you know. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my night. Catch y'all later.